Okay, this is my Amzchef double side induction cooker. So I turn on. Okay, suppose I don't hear any sound. I increase to 1008, so it's not cooking. So you can see my hand, I can still go down. Okay, it's not cooking at all. Okay, you see all this water drops, it's not cooking. Okay, now the seller said my pot is not meant for the cooking of an induction cooker, but you can see this is exactly the induction cooking type of pot. Okay, and I can prove that this side of the pot, right, is working. You can hear the sound when it's turned on. You can hear the buzzing.
Take care, gentle reminder from Canada.
They got the orders.
I guess sometimes you just grow up.
Luckily, you get a second chance at childhood. This new formula will turn a grown-up dog into a baby.
Wow, boss is back.
Oh.
Tak boleh.